'cause not enough for me to love you so.
Perfect 10 was not just any concert. It celebrated my 10th anniversary in the industry. But more importantly, it was the first concert of mine that truly came from my own heart, mind, and soul. Just like my album Expressions. And I thank my Viva family for letting me shape the show exactly the way I wanted.
Hello guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa Tech Type dito sa Viva Office at magkakaroon kami ng meeting para sa mga outfit na susuotin ko for my Perfect 10 concert. And then after noon, may meeting kami ulit. Pre-prod meeting naman para sa VTR shoot na gagawin namin. So yun, tara!
So, Artist Suite, Love Suite, hanggang number 9, alternative. Ito kasi 9 and 10. Pareho sila ng flavor. I mean, pwede ito ng isang look lang.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa manager ko, kay Boss Vic Del Rosario, kasi na-acknowledge niya yung 10 years ko in the business. At yun nga, as a celebration, he decided to give me 2 concerts, di ba? 2 shows para sa celebration ng 10 years ko. Una sa Araneta at pangalawa sa Mall of Asia Arena. Malaking pasasalamat kasi malaki ang tiwala sa akin na gumawa ako ng repeat concert.
Parang lang titanium lang talaga yan. Kasabay ka lang sa chorus. Ganun lang siya. Pero yung dance mo, heavy yan.
Na-excite ako. At the same time, nandun din yung double the pressure din kasi nga 10th anniversary concert. It should be parang automatic na maiisip mo should be grand. Should be really perfect. It should be perfect talaga. Parang kailangan maging perfect siya para maging deserving ka dun sa 10 years na pagsuporta na binigay sa'yo ng mga tao. 10 years na pagtitiwala sa'yo ng manager mo.
Etong first 3 songs mo, 1A is complete look, 1B was the same pieces, nagtanggal ka lang ng something. After nun, 1C is your final look. Kumbaga, in one outfit, pwede siya maging tatlong look.
Sa mga meeting, okay naman. Tahimik siya. Tapos nakikinig siya sa lahat, sa input ng lahat. At ang maganda doon kasi may respeto siya sa bawat department. If, like me, my department is movements on stage, nakikinig siya at kung ano man yung gusto niyang sabihin, she makes sure na she collaborates. Hindi niya pinipilit yung gusto niya. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. Sa isang kwarto kasi ang daming utak eh. So, nagko-combine lahat, pinakikinggan niya, at after niya pakinggan, dun siya magsasalita kung ano yung what she has in mind.
Si Mami, pwede na daw mag-shorts.
Pero naka-high po.
High
ba?
At least si Mami, gusto lang dito, Mami, ah.
Gusto ko talagang involved ako sa mga proyektong gagawin ko at talagang gusto ko at ma-challenge ako sa proyektong binibigay sa akin.
Kaya ba din yung No, syempre ko na tayo kaya po.
First time ko siya makitang talagang huma-hands-on at gusto niya maging involved talaga sa production nitong concert na to. Meeting, she wanted to be part of it. Sa how you come up with concept and treatment for each prod number, she really wanted to be part of it. At gusto niyang nagbibigay siya ng input. Which is I'm happy because nakita mong nag-grow na siya as not just only as a performer, but as she creates na rin kasi. Kaya natutuwa ako.
Okay, thank you. Ito na, thank you, teacher. Class dismissed.
Kasi parang nag-iisip ka niya siya, introspective. Kaya nga, okay na. Dramatic lang eh. Dramatic shots of you. So, voice over lang. Tapos, yun.
At the same time, ikaw yung nag-ikwento ng hindi live.
Saka very intimate yung dating.
Yung dramatic masyado yun. Let's give it the exposure. Anyway, it's an editing thing, madali lang.
So, nagbe-brainstorming na, ganyan. At same director, yes, Direct Paul Basinilio. Same head writers, script writers, ganyan. kung ikukumpara mo siguro dun sa mga 24SG, no, mas ano talaga mas personal at saka special talaga yung concert na to kasi talagang involved ako.
So it's gonna be siya, live na magtalas 2.0.
I made it just fluid na para i-mention yung mga yung mga sponsors natin. Pero ang parallel, kunwari, nag-ano kayo, nagpapatunan kayo ng idea, nag-brainstorm kayo about the thing.
I'm happy kasi every time may concert, bago palagi yung offer ni Sarah. At yun naman yung palagi ko sinasabi. Every time na bago yung concert, nagmamature siya eh. This concert is extra special because we are celebrating her anniversary. 10 years in this business. 'Di ba? For someone na ganyan kabata sa kanya at naka 10 years now with a lot of achievements, ang sarap maging part nung celebration na to.
Dapat meron kaya. Feel my next entry. Teka lang, itali ko. Dahil yung all.
Hello guys! Kakatapos lang ng meeting namin, tapos nag-dinner na kami dito. So far, naging maayos naman yung meeting. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye!
The 2-night concert was a big success and I owe that success to many people. Kasama sa kanila ang members of the entertainment press who threw their full support to Perfect 10. Like my loyal fans, the press people have been there for me throughout my 10 years to help promote my shows, movies, albums, and other projects.
Your number one fan.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Circio Restaurant para sa press conference ng aking Perfect 10 concert, my 10th anniversary concert at the Araneta Coliseum on November 15 and repeat concert on November 30 at the Mall of Asia Arena.
All right, so for now, let's start with our press conference. Our floor is now open for our viewers who want to ask questions to our
Timo, pasensya na po ako pasensya na po kapag meron pa yung maraming salamat po for joining us this afternoon. Malapit na po yung aking 10th anniversary concert.
Ay nagbago talaga ang itsura niya. She's now like sophisticated. Hindi na siya kagaya dati na parang neneng-nene na na-acquire na niya ang finer things in life. Nakita ko kung paano siya nag-evolve as a performer and as a personality and as a media celebrity.
How would you remember the 10 years of your singing back?
Very colorful, maraming challenges, maraming of course, marami ding achievements. Pero ang hilig ko makakalimutan siguro yung mga pinagdaanan ko para maging kung ano man ako ngayon.
Bibihira na ngayon ang tumatagal sa industriya ng ganyan kahaba. So, it's really a good, I congratulate her for reaching this stage.
Gusto ko talaga ma-appreciate ako as an artist, yung style ko sa pagkanta, hindi lang as a performer, talagang yung totality ko as an artist talaga. Kaya nga, gusto ko po talagang mag-mature pa.
Maganda. Alam mo, ang na-feel ko at saka nakita ko, parang as of now, si Sarah medyo open na. Hindi na yung kagaya ng dati na talagang parang uptight na uptight. Ngayon talagang nakakapagbilog na siya. Mas hindi na siya takot sa press. Unlike before nung una na talagang uptight siya ngayon.
Ikaw ang the most likely na maging successor ng mga musical icons tulad nga nila Regine Blasquez, si Sharon, si Ku, si Leia. Ikaw na daw ang susunod sa pwesto nila. Wala bang pressure doon?
Yung pressure ko, hindi po nanggagaling doon eh. Nanggagaling sa kung paano ko i-maintain kung ano man yung naumpisahan ko, kung paano ko masusuklian yung suporta, yung pagtitiwala sa akin ng mga tao.
Ang laki ng pinagbago ni Sarah, di ba? Noon parang talagang baby pa siya. As of now, parang woman of this world na siya, di ba? Ngayon na, in part niya na yung talagang feelings na gusto niya. Kahit palaki ng palaki yung arena or ano na kakantahan niya, mapuno niya lahat. Dahil habang tumatagal naman, lalo dumadami yung fans niya.
Siguro naman hindi too much to ask kung tanungin ka namin talaga sa tunay na lagay ng puso mo ngayon, Sarah.
Concert ko naman po ito at yung talent ko actually showing people hindi love life ko or kung sino man ang nalilink sa akin, girl boss, ayoko ihalo yun. Kasi kilala niyo naman.
Masaya, marami namang natuwa dun sa mga sinagot niya sa questions na karamihan naman personal, di ba? Meron lang siyang hindi sinagot, pero generally the press con was okay.
Hindi kasi diba, bilang mga tumutok din sa karir mo, pati yung mga fans mo, excited din lahat kung totoong tumitibok-tibok na uli yung puso mo.
Sinasagot ko naman sila in the best way I can. Yung with respect pa din. At syempre, importante rin na stand by my decision na kung ano lang yung isi-share ko sa kanila, yun lang, di ba?
Hindi mga sinasabi ko.
Okay daw ba siya kay Mami, di ba?
Oo, yun ako po. Importante na may inspiration kahit hindi sa lalaki.
Mahirap talaga kasi ayoko din magtatampo sila sa akin eh. Ayokong isipin nila na pinagdadamutan ko sila, 'di ba? Kasi well, syempre ang talaga ng mga dahilan na topic, 'di ba? Yung concert, yung Perfect 10 concert.
Congratulations na pala for your good job sa The Voice. Diba? Yung finals.
Salamat po na pinigyo ko. Meron mga natuwa, meron hindi natuwa. Pero ayun po, I remain a coach.
Without them, hindi rin ako mamomotivate na mag-improve eh. 'Di ba? Lahat ng komento nila, I take it constructively.
O, yung mga hindi natuwa, bayaan mo lang sila. Eat their hearts out.
Siyempre, may marami talaga yung talagang hurtful na words na talagang masakit sa yung parang disrespectful. Pero, importante nga na, siguro yung 10 years ko na yun, natutunan ko rin na parang, lang ba? Parang deadmahin na lang. Parang tinitignan ko na lang siya sa challenge na pagbutihan talaga yung ginagawa ko.
Sarah's a delightful young lady, very down to earth. That was my impression, and very forthcoming. Her personality is wonderful. Of course, she's a great singer. I can tell you that certainly I think Sarah's career, looking forward, is going to be comparable to some of the best singers in this country.
Anak, totoo.
Ikaw naman.
Hindi, totoo.
Okay guys, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng friends natin from the press na umattend ng press conference natin for the Perfect 10 concert. Maraming salamat po and I hope to see all of you there and sana po supportan niyo po yung Perfect 10. Thank you!
Working on the creative aspect of Perfect 10 was made easy and enjoyable by the creative team, na karamihan ay nakatrabaho ko na before. Tulad ni Sir Louie Ocampo, who was also my musical director in 24SG, my birthday concert in 2012. I'd say na we've come to know each other fairly well. Kaya naman hindi na naging mahirap ang pagbuo namin ng repertoire for the concert.
Hello guys! Nandito kami sa Venue Saturno Music Training Center dito sa studio nila. Dito kami mag-first band rehearsals.
Well, she's grown up to be a very fine lady, very beautiful, still very caring, still very nice. And I can't wait for the next stage in her life. She has made her mark. Hindi na matataob si Sarah. So, she is part of history already. She has reached that point where she can never be replaced. And hindi na matatanggal sa kanya yan. The love of the Filipino to her, hindi na matatanggal. It's forever na.
Well, aside sa pag-commemorate or pag-remember ng mga pinagdaanan ko for the last 10 years, yung beginnings ko, kung paano ako nag-umpisa, at kung paano ako nakarating dito ngayon sa present time, sana ma-showcase din namin or ma-present din namin sa tao kung ano yung gusto pa namin gawin in the future. Pagdating sa musika, sana ma-execute namin na maayos.
Anything that Sarah does, she gives 100% of herself, you know. Very professional siya talaga. Yung repertoire, the whole concept was to please everyone. Talagang may balance siya.
I want her to have a personal time for herself, siguro. That's what I want for her. And then, when the time is right, she comes back blazing para yung all that time that she has learned while she's, finding herself or finding what the world is alone. It's great. It's a great feeling, yung independence or that time na parang soul-searching ganyan. Kasi she's been busy for the past 10 years. No breaks. So I want her to have a break. So usually parang romantic duet or ganon or inspirational duet. Ito medyo upbeat naman. Kaya maganda kasi masaya, medyo upbeat, medyo kasama namin yung mga other friends namin, sina Rachel Ann and Mark Bautista. Medyo sing and dance number. So kanina nga napapag-groove kami doon. Masaya. It was good kasi, I get to reconnect with Sarah again and then sina Sir Louie. Tapos, basta iba yung vibe kasi iba, hindi yung typical Champions Prod na kakanta kayo ng biret. So, ito medyo masaya. First, I'm so happy na I'm part of this event. I'm so thankful with the friendship that we have. And it's great na I'm able to, participate and share not just, what, not just the songs, pero, the friendship together on stage. Makikita niyo yan with everyone else. Kaya yan, masaya yan.
After nito, meron kaming dance rehearsal naman sa GeForce Dance Studio. So, ayan.
Sabi nila magaling daw ako sumayaw. And my performances in 24SG set the bar high. Kaya naman I felt some pressure to dance up a storm again in Perfect 10. Good thing teacher Jercel of GeForce was again in the team. She understood my vision for the show perfectly and was very creative in choreographing and sequencing my dance numbers. I think they all turned out very well.
Yung 10 years na yun, hindi magiging ganun kasarap, ganun ka-perfect. Perfect in the sense na, syempre may ups and downs yan, no? May struggles.
Every year talaga nakikita mo nagmamature siya. Pero this is what's interesting with this concert because yun nga, not only that we are celebrating 10 years of Sarah Geronimo in this business, but because she's also part of yung paggawa nitong concert na to. Doon ako natutuwa talaga.
5, 6, 7, 8. Treasure. 3, 4, 5, 6. Point. 1, 2, 3. Step back. Boom, 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 boom. Arm up. 2, 3, and.
Naging perfect siya dahil kami yung magkakasama. Na-maintain naman na maayos pa rin ang lahat. At hopefully, no, nag-mature na, nag-improve na. Ako, lahat, yung relationship namin, working relationship namin, kaya siya tinawag na Perfect 10. So, maraming salamat.
Bam, 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 oh. Yan. So, bam, 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 bam. Yan. Bam, 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 oh. You are my treasure.
Yes, excited now for the big night. We're gonna have a dance rehearsal and then some other rehearsals and then the run-through. So, when it all comes together, masaya yan.
It's harder because we're trying to avoid what we have done before, and we are trying to create new things, and we're trying to put up something that many people, especially the popsters, yung hindi pa nila nakikita before. That's what's challenging ngayon, plus 10 years pa. So, what is there to look forward to? Ano ba yung dapat nilang abangan? That's what's challenging for us.
She's really eager to learn. Tapos, yun na nga, ang sarap-sarap niyang kasama sa rehearsal kasi when she learns to dance, pag hinihimay mo, ginagawa talaga niya. Hindi siya yung tamad na performer na titingnan lang tapos gagawin lang na parang kanyang style. No, she really gets the detail of the dance.
Many people, not only sa mga ka-age niya, pero pati sa mga matagal na rin sa industriya.
Preparing for a major concert will never be a walk in the park. Lalo na if you want it to be really special and different from everything you've done before. Modesty aside, I'd like to believe na na-achieve namin all the goals we set for Perfect 10. And for that, I thank everyone who worked with me on the show for several months. That's it for now. Much love, Sarah.